What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. So today
we're doing the unboxing of GoPro Hero 8 Black.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the video.
Okay, so now let's just take a look at the box. First, it's like highlighted, Hero 8 is highlighted, and then we have Hyper Smooth Stabilization 2. So coming to the box, it is like very premium. It gives you a very premium feel of a very premium camera, and this is not any sticker or something like that. It's the camera itself inside a plastic shell. It actually looks cool, whereas the other competition just puts it inside the box and gives a sticker. So GoPro has done something which is really nice.
Okay, let's take a look at the camera specifications. The camera itself is a 12 megapixel camera, and it records 4K 60 FPS and 1080p at 240 frames per second. So it has into 8 times slow motion. And coming to the new feature which has been improved over the previous one is the Hyper Smooth Stabilization 2.0. So we have the Time Wrap 2.0, and we can do live streaming in 1080p.
That is through Instagram stories or any other social platforms.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you need to actually see live streams.
Yeah.
Let's just get into the unboxing right now. Can I do the honors, Monish?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hope this thing comes up.
Yeah.
This will never open properly.
Yes.
Keeping that aside, we have
the camera itself.
Yeah.
Just let's take a look at the packaging, the inside part of the packaging. So this is how it looks. It's been mounted on some plastic stuff. This is just for the shipping purpose only. Let's take the camera from this mount and let's keep it aside. So we have to remove the safety lock which is given here. So just slide it out. So let's keep it away for now, and let's take a look into the box.
Okay, so let's just take a look at the box. Here are basic instructions as to how to remove the camera from the mount, which Monish actually just showed. Let's just keep that aside and then look inside. Here you have a basic subscription for GoPro Plus, which is a cloud service for GoPro, and it might come into use in future for everyone. And this is again for the GoPro app. We'll explain that in another few minutes. I mean, in the next part of the video. So yeah, basic instructions for charging and all that. And here are some. Yeah, this is wait, give it.
Yeah, never mind.
This is the
GoPro
stickers which you get with the camera. You get it with all the GoPros, and it's actually very premium. So yeah, keeping that aside. Now this is the instruction manual. We're gonna make this. Okay, now coming to the major accessories which come with the camera.
Before getting into the accessory box, let's take a look what do we get inside the accessory box. So we get the camera itself, which is right here. We get the rechargeable GoPro Hero 8 battery. We get the I think this is called as feet. Most probably it's called as a feet.
There's a mount which mounts to the mount.
Yeah, so this is what it is exactly.
Yeah.
This is come the thumb screw which will help you to fit to the different kinds of mounts. So this is the curve mount, and this is the charging cable.
Let's just take a look at what is there inside the box. Okay, so first opening up the box, we find the battery. This is the So this is the GoPro Hero 8 battery. This is a 1200 milliampere battery. So Monish, hold this. Yeah. And here we have the curved mount. This is a mount which helps you to stick on any curved surfaces. Keeping that aside, we have the USB-C to USB-A cable. This is used for charging the camera. Noted you don't get a power adapter, so make sure that you either buy one or you can actually plug into your computer as well to charge the camera. Yeah, I got a smaller one for the Hero 7.
You chuck that shit. Coming to the most satisfying part.
Yeah, just to show you how satisfying it is to remove the screen cover from the GoPro.
Okay.
This is useless. This is the fake screen.
So let's take a closer look of the camera. So this is how it looks from the front profile, from the side profile, the back, and the top. So
okay, so just talk about the buttons of the camera. We have the quick start stop recording button. This is basically a button which starts recording. It turns on the camera, starts recording when you click it once, and then turns off the recording. It stops recording and turns off the camera once you click it again. So over here we is the mounting feet, which is different as from the GoPro Hero 7. And here we have and then over here we have the mode switch, which actually helps you to turn on the camera, change between modes, and browse to the settings or whatever you want to do. And then here is the screen, which is actually touch screen. It is I think it's a 1.5-inch screen, and it is of good quality. We'll show you how the screen looks. This is where is the battery compartment?
Actually, I'll tell you. I'll do that. So coming to the front part, and this is the LCD screen, which gives you a small information about what resolution are you recording your video or photo in. So coming to the battery part, the compartment lies on the right side of the camera. So we have to pull this kind of small notch here, just given here. Pull it towards down and just flip this open. Just like this. So there's a good rubber thing just given here to protect it from the water going into it. Yeah, so this is the battery compartment, as you can see. So here where the SD card goes. So let's put the battery in and check if the camera is really working.
It definitely will work.
It's an electronic product, okay, made from China. Yeah. So let's turn on the camera quickly. Thank God it's working. Okay. So
first we'll have to actually do the setup. We'll finish the setup and then we'll just tell you about the camera.
Yeah, hold on, okay.
No, let them just... Okay, so after we finish the basic setup on the camera itself, now it would actually direct you to download the GoPro app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, we click the add camera button, and then it would show you to connect to the camera as well. Okay, this is already found. Okay, it's already found. So we connect the camera, and then we need to pair via Bluetooth. It does use Bluetooth. Camera update available, so we'll have to actually update the camera right now. The camera is connected to the phone, and then here we can have our here we can have our remote access to the camera, which has already started. So let's just enable preview. The camera actually, the phone actually joins to the camera's Wi-Fi network in order to stream, because Bluetooth is not powerful enough. So the camera actually does not have the SD card in it right now. It's just the unboxing and setup. We'll be doing a review very soon on the camera,
yes,
and comparing it to the Hero 7. Definitely, yes, very soon. So do subscribe for that, obviously. And this is pretty much it with the unboxing and setup. Now you're done to use. That's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and thanks for watching. Obviously. If you really like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe if you need to see the review and comparison with the GoPro Hero 7.
It's coming soon, by the way.
Very soon. And the next video is also going to be something really special. So that's
to
it.
get our notifications, please do consider clicking the bell icon.
Subscribe before that, obviously, and then also do follow us on Instagram. The
link is right here.
That's too bright. The link is here.
The link is on this GoPro right now.
And talking about GoPro, it is not a sponsored video.
Disclaimers: it's not a sponsored. It's not sponsored by GoPro.
It's sponsored by his dad, actually. we would also like to thank you guys for the previous videos response. We never expected so much of love.
Really great.
Yeah, it was really great, and do stay tuned. Please do keep supporting the channel, like that will help us and motivate us to make better videos and stuff. So that's pretty much it. So peace out until the next video.
And also 1080p 240. Okay, let's take 7 and Hero 8 and is a bloody full fucking. Okay, forget.
No, let me tell that. Never open properly. How to remove the camera from the mount, and going inside we find
flop. Give it back in.
What? This is wait, give it.
Never mind.
Now actually let's just take a look at what is actually.
Do it again. I think it's up.
You bloody buffoon, do.
I think it's done.
Monish is gonna take you around.
I'm right here only. It's like goes gone. No how.
Monish, congratulations, bro. Before we finish you have nails, sir.
Compartment, as you can see. Here where the SIM card goes.
SD card.
Put the battery in and check if the camera is really working.
It definitely will work.
It's an electronic product, okay, made from China.
just to show how satisfying it is to remove these stickers.
They're speaking in the background from that time, da.
Yeah, I know. If you click it once,
Hey, watchman, go. Take it out again then.
No. It's okay. What? How many milliamp hours is this? 1000?
Forget that.
Not able to see how many milliamp hours it is. I'm Monish, I'm blind, ra.
Give it.
No, okay, got it. So an overview of the buttons in the camera and what all we get with the thing. We have the quick start recording button. This is don't laugh, Monish. Start again.
Yeah. Stick is just for the shipping purposes, so you can just throw this.
Thank you for watching the video. That's it. Okay. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And the microphone is below the table. Can you just put it up? That's it for this video. Hope you guys. Hello. Ma.
One eternity later.
Mother is bribing you.
Watch it.
It's recording.
No, I will wait. You shush. Don't disturb. A lot of fun in this channel. So.
You're there. Yeah. So I was looking at the product details. The MRP is 36,500, which is fine. The part number now is fine. Coming to the country of origin, I'm sorry, Modi ji, it's from China. Never mind.